If you're seeing a Monday.com error that says the region is blocked, don't worry. This is usually something you can fix in just a few minutes. In this video, I'll walk you through the quickest steps to get Monday.com working again, including refreshing the page, turning off VPN or proxy services, and switching to a different network if needed. These simple fixes often solve the issue right away, and they're safe to try before moving on to anything more advanced. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes and step-by-step guides. Let's get started. First, the easiest thing to try is a simple page refresh. Sometimes the blocked region message appears because the site loaded incorrectly or your current session timed out. So go ahead and refresh the Monday.com page using your browser refresh button, or press Ctrl+R on Windows or Command+R on Mac. After the page reloads, check to see if the error disappears. In many cases, this alone can clear the problem. If the error is still showing, the next step is to disable any VPN or proxy that you may be using. Monday.com can block access when it detects traffic coming from a VPN or proxy location that doesn't match a supported region. If you have a VPN app running, turn it off completely. If you use a browser extension or a built-in proxy setting, disable that as well. Then go back to Monday.com and refresh the page again. This step is very important because even if your regular internet connection is fine, a VPN can make it look like you're connecting from a different country or region. If turning off the VPN doesn't solve it, try switching to a different network. For example, if you're on office Wi-Fi, try your mobile data instead. Or if you're on mobile data, connect to a different Wi-Fi network. The reason this works is because your public IP address and region can affect how Monday.com responds. Sometimes one network is flagged or routed in a way that triggers the region blocked error, while another network works perfectly. After switching networks, open Monday.com again and refresh the page. If the platform loads normally, then the issue was likely tied to your previous connection or IP region. If you're using a work network, it may also help to ask your IT team whether any firewall, proxy, or traffic filtering tools are affecting access to Monday.com. One more thing to keep in mind is that browser cache can sometimes hold on to old session data. If you've tried the steps already and the error still appears, you can also clear your browser cache and cookies for Monday.com, then sign back in and test again. This is not always necessary, but it can help if the site is stuck showing the same warning even after your connection changes. So to quickly recap, first refresh the page, then disable your VPN or proxy and refresh again, and finally switch to a different network, like another Wi-Fi or mobile data. Those are the fastest and safest ways to fix a Monday.com region blocked error. I hope this video helped you get back into Monday.com. If it did, please give this video a like and subscribe for more troubleshooting guides, software fixes, and easy how-to tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.